Massive shout out to Dan and Renee hooking me up with giant 2 half-pound cup Reese's. Got it for Christmas and I'm just now opening it. My favorite. So before I devour this, I wanted to show you how big this Reese's cup is. Reese's cup. I don't have a regular size Reese's to do a comparison, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the idea, right? I don't know what I'm doing today yet. I don't know whether I'm wanting to go to Talent or whether I'm going to A-Dog yet. Well, heading off to down this way. I'm gonna go to A-Dog today. Alright, so I made it to A-Dog Skatepark. The waterfront's that way. For January, it's actually very nice weather. There's like no snow here. I only hell bombed warming up to get here. But I also tore my fucking shoe. Can't really see it actually from that angle. I went through some puddles too. My pants are soaked. Here's the Spirit of Ethan Allen right now. It's all closed off. I don't know if it's for the season or if they're just not open.
Attention guests, we would like to thank you all for visiting Echo and remind you that we will be closing in 30 minutes. We also ask that if you're interested in purchasing any membership, to please see a guest service representative at this time.
That voice just scared me.
Just a reminder that Echo will be closing in 30 minutes.
Alright, so I've been chilling at the mall now for the past like hour almost. Waiting on Jared and Haley. They're gonna come get me. I might end up having to go over to my brother's house a little bit because the mall closes here real soon. But pretty much just playing Pokemon Go here in the mall. But I'm staying out of the rain too. It's raining, so not really else to do. So I've been looking at the past like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I was in the food court for the longest time. Alright guys, so I got a ride home back with Jared and Haley. And now I'm eating, and that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new for the latest content. Click like if you enjoyed, let me know. And you'll see me in the next video for sure. Got some big plans happening, so stay tuned. Yeah, anyways, peace out guys. Stay awesome.